If you're looking to build funnels for your marketing campaigns in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll walk through exactly how to do it, but stay tuned because I'll also reveal some incredible alternatives that might suit your needs better, especially when it comes to funnel building. Let's dive right in. First, once you're logged into SuiteDash, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Funnels section. This is where you can create your funnels for different marketing campaigns. You can start by clicking on Create New Funnel. Simple, right? The user interface is clean, which is nice for quickly understanding what's going on. But here's the thing, while it's intuitive, it's not as customizable as some other funnel builders out there. You'll see pre-built templates, which can save time, but customization options might feel a little limiting for more advanced users. Next, let's talk about creating your funnel steps. With SuiteDash, you can easily drag and drop elements like opt-in forms, sales pages, and thank you pages. This is great if you want a straightforward funnel setup. However, the lack of advanced triggers and automation options compared to competitors can hold back more complex campaigns. You can create basic flows, but if you're looking for more dynamic, behavior-triggered funnels, you might find it lacking in that department. The third thing to consider is the email marketing integration. SuiteDash allows you to tie your funnel to email automation, which is a huge plus. But again, it's not the most sophisticated. If you're running multiple campaigns or need deep segmentation, you might run into some limitations here. SuiteDash does have an email feature, but for highly segmented, advanced sequences, it's not going to compare to a platform that's built solely for email marketing. Another thing to look at is the reporting and analytics. SuiteDash does give you some basic metrics like funnel conversions and revenue tracking, but the reporting is fairly basic compared to some specialized funnel builders. If you're really diving into A/B testing or need deeper data analysis to fine-tune your funnel performance, this could feel a bit underwhelming. The last thing I'll mention is the user support. While SuiteDash offers support, it doesn't provide the same level of detail or resources you might find with some other tools that focus solely on funnels. If you're stuck, you'll be relying mostly on forums and documentation, which can sometimes leave you wanting more direct help. Now, here's the deal. SuiteDash does have its perks. It's an all-in-one platform, so if you're looking to manage multiple aspects of your business from one place, it's not a bad option. But when it comes specifically to building funnels for your marketing campaigns, there are alternatives out there that offer better funnel building capabilities, deeper customization, and more robust reporting. So here's what we're offering. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash, along with some incredible benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But I've also included some alternatives in the description below that could give you the edge when it comes to building high-converting funnels. These alternatives also have free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. Don't miss out. Check out those links and start building better funnels today.